The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were reports of unidentified flying objects detected by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is believed that these objects are a form of aircrafts. As a precaution, all residents in the United States are strongly advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place, you are advised to do the following instructions. Go inside a sturdy building and find an interior room on the lowest floor with a few doors and windows. Grab some supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and a first aid kit for your stay in the shelter. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At 12:35 p.m., reports of more unidentified flying aircrafts had been spotted across the world. It's not yet confirmed if these aircrafts could be from an extra. However, it is recommended that every resident in the United States should do the following instructions. Go inside a sturdy building immediately. Lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and ventilation systems, close all fireplace dampers. Grab necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, a flashlight, a first aid kit, blankets, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. If you want to go and shelter in place, do so now. Tune to your local station for more warnings and updates on this situation.
Huh? What's going on?
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, it has been confirmed that the aircrafts that were seen 3 hours ago are hostile. It has been reported that there are aliens coming out of every single aircrafts on the planet. These creatures are attacking the human race. Do not go anywhere near these creatures, as they are considered very dangerous. All residents on the planet should go far underground as possible. This is a very dangerous and life-threatening situation. As of right now, all military bases across the globe had been dispatched to killing these creatures. The president will speak on all news stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KTVX0. We will continue to serve the Cincinnati area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cincinnati area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. All of the aliens on the planet are now gone. However, there is massive damage to the planet. Even though this event is over, every resident must stay in their shelter until further notice. Continue your station for more updates. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, this is one of the most darkest catastrophic events in United States history. About a few hours ago, many unidentified aircrafts had been spotted by NASA. But right now, all of the extraterrestrial creatures and aircrafts are nowhere to be seen on the planet. As of right now, it is safe for you, your friends, and family to leave your shelters now. We will rebuild our nation, this world, and never give up. We all hope an event like this will never happen again. This ends my message. Goodbye and God bless.
That was a message from the President of the United States. We may now return to regularly scheduled program. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this emergency.